Hi everyone, this is Mrs. D'Amico. This week we're going to learn about books about maps. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain what a map is. So here's the definition. A map is a flat drawing that shows a place in the world. Right here, this is a map of the continent of Africa. Maps are flat drawings that show us where to find different places. This young man is pointing to a country in Africa. In the library, we have lots of different map books. Here's a book about the continent of Australia. Here is a book about North America. And this is a book that we're going to be reading today, Me on the Map. We also have books that explain how to use maps. This says maps are flat and globes are round. And this is looking at maps and globes. Here are some books that explain what maps are. So here is a story about maps. It is called Me on the Map. It was written by Joan Sweeney. Me on the Map. This is the title page. It shows the title and the author and the illustrator. Annette Cable illustrated or drew the pictures for this book. This is me. This is me in my room. And this is a map of my room. This is me on the map of my room. This is my house. This is a map of my house. This is my room on the map of my house. This is my street. This is a map of my street. This is my house on the map of my street. This is my town. And this is a map of my town. And this is my street. This is my state. This is a map of my state. She lives in Kansas. And this is a map of my town on the state map. This is my country, the United States of America. This is a map of my country. And this is my state on the map of my country. This is my world. It is called Earth. It looks like a giant ball. If you could unroll the world and make it flat, it would look something like this. This is a map of the world. This is my country on the map of the world. So here is how I find my special places on the map. First, I look at the map of the world and I find my country. Then I look at the map of my country and I find my state. Then I look at the map of my state and I find my town. Then I look at the map of my town and I find my street. And on my street, I find my house. And in my house, I find my room. And in my room, I find me. Just think. In rooms, in houses, on streets, in towns, in countries all over the world, everybody has their own special place on the map. Just like me. Just like me on the map. I hope you enjoyed that story about maps. Remember, maps are flat drawings that show us where to find different places. Hope you enjoyed the story and see you next time. Bye, everyone.